Ever wished you could pay for that steaming hot coffee without fumbling for cash or cards? Or maybe you've dreamt of splitting the dinner bill with friends without the awkward math. If you've nodded to either of these, you're about to meet your new best friend, Vips. But hold on, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of what Vips actually is, let's address the elephant in the room. What on earth is a Vips? Is it a new dance move? A secret code for ordering pizza? Or maybe, just maybe, it's something way more practical and life-changing. Let's clear the air. Vips isn't a dance move, a pizza code, or even a particularly catchy name. It's actually a mobile payment app that's taking Norway and Sweden by storm. And trust me, there's a good reason for that. Imagine a world where your phone is your wallet. No more bulky wallets, no more searching for the right card, and definitely no more exact change woes. That's the Vips world. But how does it actually work? At its core, Vips is a platform that lets you send and receive money instantly, right from your phone. It's like having a digital pocket that's always with you. You can link your bank account to Vips, and boom, you're ready to start transacting. It's as simple as that. But the magic doesn't stop there. Vips is more than just a money transfer app. It's your personal finance sidekick. You can use it to pay for everything from your morning coffee to your monthly rent. No more queuing up, no more card swipes, just a quick tap and you're done. Let's talk about the real-life scenarios where Vips shines. First up, splitting the bill. Gone are the days of arguing over who owes what. With Vips, you can quickly divide the cost and send your share instantly. No more mental math, no more awkwardness. Just easy, breezy payments. Next up, online shopping. Tired of typing in your card details every time you buy something online? Vips to the rescue. With Vips, you can check out in seconds. No more long forms, no more security codes. Just a simple login and you're good to go. And let's not forget about person-to-person payments. Need to lend money to a friend? Or maybe you're splitting the cost of a gift. Vips makes it a breeze. Just enter the recipient's phone number and the money is transferred instantly. It's like sending a digital hug with your cash. But wait, there's more. Vips isn't just about convenience. It's also about security. Your money is safe and sound with Vips. They use top-notch encryption to protect your information, so you can rest easy knowing your finances are in good hands. Now, you might be wondering, is Vips available in my country? Unfortunately, as of now, Vips is primarily used in Norway and Sweden. But hey, who knows, maybe it will expand to other countries in the future. Fingers crossed. So, to sum it up, Vips is a game changer. It's fast, convenient, secure, and incredibly easy to use. If you're lucky enough to live in Norway or Sweden, you're missing out if you're not using it. And if you don't, keep an eye out for similar apps in your country. The future of payments is mobile, and Vips is leading the way. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.